wake up, Mr. Doorhouse. We have some
What?
questions for you.
What's going on? I was just taking a nap. Okay, what's your questions?
It's about Zap. So,
Zap?
yeah.
Okay.
So why do we have to do Zap?
Zap. We have Zap. We started it about 4 years ago to encourage people to get their stuff done. Because we saw a bunch of people that were slacking, and we didn't want that attitude to go through all the classes. So we decided to implement this thing called Zap, which was during the early outs, that we would have kids that are regularly completing their homework be able to go home, and kids that aren't, they'd have to sit in a supervised study hall and end up doing work for 3 hours.
Oh, that's cool. Interesting.
Okay. Let me go back to sleep.
Okay.
No, we have more.
Okay, what?
Is it important for Zap?
Well, I think it is really important because it sends the right message. For me, it sends two things. It says to the kids that are regularly getting their work done, thank you, and I appreciate the good job that you're doing. And it also sends a message to the kids that are slacking that it's not acceptable and that you're going to have to get all of your work done. You have to do it regardless at some point anyway. So this is just a regular reminder to make sure you're doing the best quality work that you can do. So that's why we have to do it.
Okay, we have some more questions still. Do we have to do Zap?
Yes, you have to do Zap. It is something that is been part of a school board policy for the last couple of years. When we started it, I passed it through them, and yes, you have to do Zap.
Okay. What do I do when I'm done at Zap?
Oh, so you think that maybe you could just go home after you get done with the work that you're doing? That's wrong. You actually end up staying there until 4 o'clock, which kind of stinks, but that's kind of part of the program. Because if I just let you get your work done and you were gone in like 5 minutes, all of a sudden, I mean, that to me really doesn't really send any kind of message. So this way, you can still get a bunch of independent reading done or do some other quality work and get ahead on some other classes.
What happens if I can't go?
Ooh, that's happened a couple of times, and it kind of stinks because everybody knows I come early in the morning, and so I require the parents to bring the kid on Thursday and Friday mornings. So let's say you've got a dentist appointment on Wednesday afternoon and you can't make it. I understand that that's part of life, and we try to work around that stuff. So then that kid would have to come in at 7 o'clock on Thursday and 7 o'clock on Friday, and that's an hour and a half and an hour and a half, and that equals 3 hours, and that gets you back your hours. So it stinks. Nobody likes doing it, but that's what I have kids do.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Yeah,
I gotta get back to my nap.
Will we be zapped for Lexia?
Oh, you mean 5th and 6th graders?
Yeah.
Okay. We are not zapping somebody for not getting their goal in Lexia. That is a separate thing, and it's a standalone situation. So, no, that wouldn't be the case. So, do you have any other questions?
No.
Because I am tired, and I want to go back and take my nap.
Okay.
But, yeah, until then, everybody, I want you to just stay
Stay safe.
safe.